With technology derived directly from Formula One, the latest generation of the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC sets new standards for innovative drive solutions both as a saloon, combined fuel consumption 9.1 to 8.7 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions 206 to 196 G/km, 1 and as an estate, combined fuel consumption 9.2 to 8.8 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions 209 to 199 G/km. Following its premiere in the Mercedes-AMG SL43, the AMG 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, the world's first series production unit to feature an electric exhaust gas turbocharger, is now also being used in the C-Class. The new form of turbocharging guarantees particularly spontaneous response across the entire rev range and thus offers an even more dynamic driving experience. The turbocharger is operated via the 48-volt electrical system, which also feeds the belt-driven starter generator, RSG. In the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC, the unit produces 300 kilowatts, 408 HP, and, in certain driving situations, is able to call upon a brief additional boost of 10 kilowatts, 14 HP, from the RSG. The standard rear axle steering, the AMG Performance 4MATIC permanent all-wheel drive with rear-biased torque distribution, the AMG SpeedShift MCT9G transmission with wet start-off clutch and the AMG Ride Control suspension with adaptive damping system also contribute to the dynamic driving experience. In keeping with this, brand-specific features in the equipment and appointments as well as in the exterior and interior design emphasize the performance-oriented character of the new Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC. The C-Class has always been an absolute success story for Mercedes-AMG. With the innovative technology of the electric exhaust gas turbocharger, we are once again significantly increasing the attractiveness of this latest generation. The new turbocharging system and the 48-volt onboard electrical system not only contribute to the outstanding driving dynamics of the C43 4MATIC, but also improve its efficiency. In this way, we are demonstrating the tremendous potential that lies in electrified combustion engines. The standard all-wheel drive, the active rear axle steering and the quick-shifting transmission all serve to enhance the driving performance that is the hallmark of AMG, says Philipp Schiemer, chairman of the board of management of Mercedes-AMG GmbH,